Hello, this is me Ali Raza, and I'm here again with a new video. But before I start, I want you guys to introduce myself as I'm Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, SEO expert, and an owner of a Google partner company. And we provide different marketing solutions, including SEO, Google Ads, digital marketing, web development services. So, in case if you need one service, you are more than welcome to hire us. The details are in the description of this video. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started today with the question today I have, and the question is, hello guys, can anyone help me? I run a campaign search for my clients and it's always disapproved. The niche is massage service. Anywhere here running the same campaign. I already sent an appeal to Google, but it won't work. Before there is no problem with my ads, but now it's automatically disapproved. Whenever I'm running the same ads and adset, it is it really hard to run this kind of niche nowadays? Need assistance, please. Thank you, admin. Okay, so yeah, I can assist you with this. Okay, there are few things which you may need to keep in mind before running a campaign. Also, massage service is perfectly fine, and I can see a lot of stuff over there. So there are few things which I can do. Okay, first thing is you have to thoroughly uh, check your website for compliance. Okay, usually what happens is there are some words issues which can cause issues, and suddenly Google may have unnoticed in the past, but suddenly uh, it can be a reason. Sometimes it's a claim, sometimes you have said something which is not a part of the Google policies. So I consider you, in case if you need our assistance, me and my team can help you and sort it out this issue, and we have worked with various companies. So website compliance is the first thing which I suggest. Second thing is that is very important, and is to look around your competitors. See your competitor ads. Okay, you might be knowingly or unknowingly including a word or something in your ad which can cause suspension. Third thing is work with dynamic keyword insertion. Okay, dynamic keyword insertion can makes the process of ad approval easy, especially in such scenarios. I definitely recommend you to offer the dynamic keyword insertion, and can help you a lot. So my suggestion is to work on dynamic DKI, and DKI can help you. And the fourth point over here is, once you see the data of your competitor, also look on your competitor websites. Competitor websites uh, as well. Sometimes also you have to thoroughly look on all the pages, the part of the team. The fifth part is to send appeal to Google. Okay, now when you send appeal to Google, you have to explain what you have done, what you have noticed, and what you did. Okay, in case if you just simply send them a blank email or say that you have not violated policy, it's your mail is going to be ignored, because it's just another mail. Simply explain what you did. Also, even if there was no issue on your website, simply explain that based on the warning I got, I thoroughly rechecked the website for any possible issues. I also checked, include the competitors who have the same similar set of ads extra, and tell them about those, and that can be a turning point to get your ads approved. Okay, last point is patience is the key. Okay, patience is a very important key, and that can do for this. So you have to patient. I can understand that this can cause a loss of business as well, but this is how it works. So I hope it answers your question, and if you guys want to see my videos, just make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you need me or my team services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.